you tell Jordan?
I did. He needs to finish up his job first.
Oh, that's right.
Gotta wait.
Yeah. It's the way it goes. It's funny, Jesse. We fucking work next to each other all day, but I don't even ask you how it's going. Until we're on the Snap-on truck. Like, hey, how's it going today, buddy? Are you busy or?
What are you doing today? Oh, you're pulling an engine. Oh, okay.
That's right. That's what you're doing. I forgot about that. Is it a long block?
Yeah.
Good.
One of Jordan's.
Oh, that's right. Jordan has two, doesn't he? I think. How's it going, Tyler?
Doing great.
Good. Good. These look rather pink. They're sun bleached.
I had him up on the dash. And we get so much sun here in Vancouver that, yeah, it's faded out. But
Yeah. That's funny.
Supposed to be pink?
No, the box is
No.
supposed to be red. Look at it. It's got like this gradient to it. Just sun bleached boxes. Does that mean they're cheaper now? You got a discount on it? It's on your discount bin.
Yes.
That's cool.
Foam cutouts with the 3/8 drive stuff now to go along with the quarter drive that we had last month.
Yeah. Now can you split that in half and sell it one, or is that just one whole part number?
I can
it's
do
one
anything
part
I
number.
want.
Oh yeah, of course you can.
Who's going to stop me?
That's cool though. I like that.
Air couplers with a built-in blowgun. I don't know if you'll see it through the package, but there is a hole right in here.
Yeah, I can see that.
So when you press the button on the side, it's going to blast air out.
That's cool. Saves you from going to your toolbox
They
and
come in most common, most popular air fittings. All of them except the Lincoln Long, the big long thing,
oh yeah,
don't come in that. But all the other versions, yes.
that's cool. I like that. Hose clamp pliers. Oh, those are. Look at that. Nothing's gonna slip off those things. Wow.
Those are new.
Who makes that?
It's under the Blue Point.
Oh, it's Blue Point. Yeah. That's cool. The hose clamp pliers. Ain't nothing gonna slip off those things. This thing's got some teeth on it, man. Look at that thing.
Is it? Oh. Oh.
Those things are cool. What's the part number on that? Let's see. I always get people asking. HRR59. Those are cool. And more stubby ratchet wrenches.
Yeah, that 8 to 14 kit to go along with the 15 to 19 kit.
Oh right. So that's yeah.
Need someone with more skills than me to get those back in their slots now.
It's like that balls in the hole game you had when you were a kid. They were round. You know what I'm talking about? Someone will. You know those games when you were a kid that you would like? There was like the little ball bearings, and you had to like move it around to get them in the holes.
I think so.
Yeah.
I know.
Right on. This is for you, Jesse.
I know, I just saw that.
Get a free tool.
Flying knife.
Then, lately, I've custom made a bunch of ratchets. This is the FC72, so it's a quarter drive handle basically with
Yep.
a 3/8 head in it. Had it for a long time. That's kind of the only option that we've had. What we can do now is take any of our ratchets and put that head into it.
Yeah.
This isn't a new thing that we're suddenly able to do that we couldn't do before.
No, because they
But I
make
just
they
figured
make
it
the
out.
ratchet anyway, right? So So you just buy
not
the-
with the
So you just buy the plate with the.
and the kit.
Yeah.
Yes. The most popular one, the reason I'm sold out of it now, has been the locking flex head.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I take this plate and these parts out,
What's the part number on that kit?
and then you install that
There you go.
parts kit
Yep.
and that plate,
Okay.
which turns any of our quarter drive ratchets into a 3/8 drive ratchet. Anyone
Except for this one.
except that one. Thanks for pointing that out.
That's their THLLF72.
Yeah, that's the only. Well, and obviously wouldn't do the round
Yeah.
ones, but,
Gotcha.
or the gearless ones, but I do the other ones.
I think I might actually pick this up because I have a ratchet that I can do that with. Cool.
I actually saw it on Facebook or something. I saw the ratchet and I'm like, what the hell is that? What's the part number? Couldn't figure it out. And then, oh yeah, okay, buy some parts, build
Yeah.
it yourself.
Yeah.
Then you end up with a tiny 3/8 drive ratchet. Makes
That's a good
sense.
idea. I like that. Because, well, I mean, the smallest 3/8 ratchet, I guess, like even mine is this short stubby one that's in this kit. That one.
Well, yeah, you can get that one without the flex head.
Right.
So it's a little bit shorter, but yeah, you still have a fairly large sized head, right?
Right.
And then the only other option was this.
Yeah.
But now you can turn any of them
Awesome.
to 3/8. I gotta get your parts for your impact gun.
Yep.
They're in the back.
Cool. Oh. It's gonna be nice driving around on one of the last sunny days, eh? It's gonna be.
Bite your tongue.
Well,
It'll
hopefully
be
it's
another
not,
3
but-
weeks of sunshine.
Oh, hopefully.
Power of positive thinking.
That'd be very nice.
You ever say those?
I had one. This one's good because it's yeah, this one's got the small. You've got two sizes of these things, right? There's one that's like super big,
Yes. Well, no.
like it's just the jaw size, right?
The jaw is different. Instead of having a fixed sliding jaw like that,
Yeah.
there are basically two tabs that move independent of each other,
Oh, that's right.
and they go over the
Yeah.
ends of the clamp.
These are awesome for like lower rad hoses and shit like that, where you where you don't have the room.
Yeah.
It's just great because you put the cable down and get them on the clamp.
Only some of our vehicles are annoying,
Yeah.
like the older ones.
Well, now we have the Tucson with that stupid quick connect thing,
Oh yeah, you just
which
push,
is
push the
decent, but
tab in.
I don't trust it.
Oh,
I don't-
The tab.
the
that
tab,
You just push in
yeah.
and you just yank it off.
I don't trust it for some reason.
No.
No, one blew off on Jordan after he did that one engine. Remember?
Oh.
I don't know. It's just something I don't trust.
That's the other one.
Yeah, that's the one that I had bought and then taken back.
Wait, are these?
There you go.
There's a tab in there.
Everything. Yeah, it's like an RV, right? You gotta pull up and or no? Oh, this thing. Yeah.
That's why I was like, why isn't it open?
To keep the tools in place when you're driving, brah.
Compression adapters. Diesel stuff. Ford's wonderful synchronizing tools. Stuff in every drawer,
For
bro.
synchronization.
I'll die with that.
All right. Well,
I'll die with that. Thermostat. That is so that thing.
yeah, that looks.
Yeah, I didn't even know.
Install
that-
thermostat. Winter, summer.
I didn't even know what that thing was.
120 to 270 degrees. Yeah.
You stick that inside of a turkey when you're cooking it.
When did we stop changing thermostats every season? A long time ago.
Yeah.
It'll sit there till somebody wants it.
All right, well, we'll see you guys back in the shop. All right, guys, welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. You guys saw the truck stuff, a couple new tools, just small stuff. Nothing big coming out as of right now. We've seen a lot in the last little while. So last week I had the thermal imager here, and I still have it. I traded up. You're gonna see why though, because there's gonna be I have a video. It's not out yet. I'm still in the processes of finishing it, but no big deal. You guys are gonna love this thing. I already love it. So I do own the Thermal Imager Elite now. Yeah. So there's a little bit to chew because you know it's a bit of a price difference. So, but you know what? All in all, I think it was absolutely worth it. There's things about this thermal imager that the other companies do not have, and you know, you got to pay to play, right? So I ended up getting the rebuild kit, or the I guess the add-on kit or whatever, to make my 1/4 inch ratchet, one of my 1/4 inch ratchets, into a 3/8. I just got to pick which one I want to do it with, because I have a few. So I'm going to be doing that in the next day or two. And this little guy. So my, oh, where is it here? My 3/8 impact, my MG325. I was using it one day, and the selector valve goes from forward to reverse. It actually blew out, and it just about took my fucking finger off. And it was a little, it was a little scary. But so I ordered a new one, a couple new O-rings in there. So the rebuild, I don't have a rebuild kit number. But anyway, I'll make the video on replacing that for you guys. So look forward to that. Pretty much, other than that, it's a really busy day. That's why I'm trying to get through this really quick for you guys. Nothing else going on. Had a long weekend, Labor Day on Monday. So Tuesday, or today was my first day back to work. So I had a long weekend, at a 3-day weekend. I work every Saturday, so that was cool. Ended up finishing pretty well for the month last month. Excuse me. And hopefully we're gonna have a good month this month. It's we still are at this point right now where we're 2 guys down. We have another apprentice starting in next week, so that'll be cool. I look forward to that. This next week or this week? On the 7th anyway, so we have a new guy starting on the 7th. My days are all just messed up. 2 more days, 2 days he starts. So other than that, guys, I got nothing for you. I hope you enjoyed today's Snap on Wednesday. As always, remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Oh, hey, you're still here. Cool. Well, considering you're still here, this link up here will get you subscribed if you're not already. Remember to hit that bell notification so you guys get notified when I upload a new video. This one down here, that is the merch link, so you guys can get sweet ass shirts like this. And that one right there, that is the most recommended video for your viewing pleasure. Sit back, relax, enjoy the next couple of seconds. Thank you.